Hello. Hi, good morning, Prithvi, Lavanya. Hope you guys doing good.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, Gaurav.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Hope you remember in previous session, we have done definition part. Means, okay, means we have defined a company called Sai Motor Corporation with this reference company code, production plant, sales organization, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, storage location, and shipping point. Okay. Now, the next session will be assignment. First, we have defined org units. And in today's session, we'll try to see assignments. Assignment of organization units. Okay. Now, what exactly this assignment means? We have finance, production plant, sales unit, and storage. So all these org units will be assigned to each other. I'll go to this SPRO transaction code, reference IMG. We can see here enterprise structure, ERP. This definition we have done in the previous session. Would you like to ask any doubt in this area, definition part? Prithvi, Lavanya?
No.
No,
Fine. No. Once this definition part is done, we have second area, which is assignment. Our core area is sales and distribution. Click on to this note. We can see here assigned sales organization to company code, which is a financial area. Basically, we are integrating sales unit and finance unit. Click on to execute icon. Click on to position. This is making anything random. This is not ours. Okay, let's try to search our sales organization as 9200. Enter. Let's assign the company code that we have created, which is 9200. Enter. This is the sales organization and this is the company code. Try to save it. Here in sales and distribution, assign sales of the company. This 9200. We are done with the first assignment. Moving on to next assignment, which is assigning distribution channel to sales organization. Let me show here. Okay. Assigning distribution channel to sales organization. Click on to execute icon. Click on to new entries. We have sales organization and distribution channel 92. Enter. We can assign multiple distribution channels. Currently, we have only one distribution channel. If we have multiple distribution channel, we can assign it. Let's try to save this. In the sales and distribution, we have assigned sales of distribution channel. Moving on to next assignment, assigning division to sales organization. Execute. Click on to new entries. Sales promotion 9200 and division 92. Enter. Here also same. If we have multiple divisions, we can assign to the respective sales organization. As of now, we have only one division for the one sales organization. Let's save this. In sales and distribution, we have assigned division to sales org. Enter, save it. Moving on to next assignment, we have set up sales area. Sales area is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Click on to new entries, sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Enter it. If we have multiple distribution channel, multiple division, we have to assign to the respective sales organization, which is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, division. The combination of all these three will be called as sales area. Let's save this. Sales area, enter, save it. Go back. Moving on to next assignment. Assign sales office to sales area. Execute. New entries. We have sales organization, distribution channel, division, and sales office, which is 9200. Enter. We want to save it. Assign sales office to sales area. Moving on to next assignment. Assign sales group to sales office. New entries. We have sales office and sales group 921. Save it. Sales group, sales group. We are done with this assignment. Moving on to next, we have assigned sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. Execute. We continue entries, sales organization, distribution channel, and plant 9200. Enter and save it. See, assign sales of distribution channel and save it. So what are all four activities that is required for the ST assignment? It's done. Okay. We'll come to this business area account assignment at later part. As of now, we'll skip. So these are the core areas for the ST assignment. If you want to see the TR numbers, we can see. I'll open a new session. ST 10. Okay. This is the user ID and display. Look, here are the assignments. These are the basically we can see here TR numbers. Just in case if we didn't copy or if we didn't made any note, we can get the TR numbers from this transaction code, which is SE10. I'll go back again here. We can keep the username customization workbench based on this modifiable or released or display. We can get the TR number. Okay. Now we are done with the sales area. Now let's try to assign the rest areas, which is like logistics general. Assign plant to company code. Click on to execute. Click on to position. Search for plant 9200. So we didn't find. Click on to the new entries. Let's make company code as 9200. and plant 9200. Enter and save it. In logistics general, which is PP consultant, okay, assign plant to company code. Done. Now, moving on to material management. Assign purchase order to company code. Assign purchase order to plant. As of now, we don't need this one, but still, as we are here, I'll make it assignment. Click on to position, purchase organization. For this purchase org, we have company code 9200. Assignment done. Assign purchase order to plant. Execute. New entries. New entries. Purchase organization and plant. Let's move on to our distribution area, which is logistics execution. Click on to this node. Assign shipping point to plant. Click on to this search icon. Try to find our plant 9200. This is the production plant for Sai Motors Corporation Company. For this plant, we need to assign a shipping point as 9200. We can see here search 9200. Let me show it again here. I'll go back. In logistic execution area, we are assigning shipping point to our production plant. Execute. We can search here, find icon 9200. Continue. We can find here 9200 plant. For this plant, we need to assign our shipping point, which is click onto this 9200 and continue. We can see here for this plant, shipping point has been assigned and save it. Save this TR as logistics execution. Assign shipping point to enter and save it. Back, no. Logistic execution done, done, SD done, logistics center done, finance. Okay, we'll skip this one. Okay. Now, the ERP structure which we have done. Okay, let's try to see that. We are done with the definition part, assignment part. We'll see the our ERP structure. Click on to execute. Sorry, click on to execute. Or else we can go for transaction code /n EC01. Organization object company code. Navigate to structure. Then navigation. Continue. Here we can see a list of all company codes. Okay. We need to find our company code. So I'll click on to this search icon 9200. We can see here our company has been created with reference 9200 Sai Motor Corporation Company. Double click on this. We can see here a plant, a sales organization, and a purchase organization. If I click onto this node, we can see the plant is connected to storage location, which is area. We can see company code, which is financial area, a distribution channel, which is a sales area, shipping point, which is logistic execution area, and a purchase organization. A plant is connected to all this area, area, finance area, sales area, logistic execution area, and purchase organization area. Close this. And the sales organization, click onto this node. We can see this sales organization is connected to distribution channel, division, and company code, which is financial area, SDFI area. Then this is the purchase organization. We'll come to this part at later. Any doubt in this definition, assignment, and consistency check?
No.
Fine. Now, the next step will be creating a customer account group. Okay. I'll share the reference document. You can refer that theory in order to understand this customer account group. I'll give you whenever a customer is created in the system, okay, a reference number will be generated against this customer. Means whenever we create a customer in the system, a reference will be created against that, and we can use it for the master data purpose. అంటే మనం ఏదైనా కస్టమర్ సిస్టంలో క్రియేట్ చేసామనుకోండి, అప్పుడు సిస్టంలో అది సేవ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక రెఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. ఆ రెఫరెన్స్ నెంబర్ వచ్చేసి వీ క్యాన్ హ్యావ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఎ మాస్టర్ డేటా. Okay. The structure of SAP customer account group is a financial accounting area. What are all customers that will be created that will be saved into financial accounting area? The reason behind is whenever a sales transaction is being performed, the customer has to pay, which is the SAP customers are the master records in accounts receivable. అంటే మనం కస్టమర్కి ఏదైనా ప్రోడక్ట్ సేల్ చేసిన తర్వాత మా కస్టమర్ నుంచి డబ్బులు వస్తాయి. దట్ ఈస్ అకౌంట్స్ రిసీవబుల్ ఫర్ ద సేల్స్. ఫర్ ద ప్రొక్యూర్మెంట్కి వచ్చేసి whenever we purchase material from our vendors, that will be accounts payable. మనం పే చేయాలి. వాళ్ళకి అకౌంట్స్ పేయబుల్, సేల్స్ వాళ్ళకి అకౌంట్స్ రిసీవబుల్. Hope you guys are able to understand. For the
One
sales,
second.
hello, Prithvi, you there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
one
let
more
us-
time it's
fine.
yeah.
Okay. Basically, we as a sales, whenever we make any sales transaction, obviously we will receive particular amount from the customer, which is called as accounts receivable. మనం ఏదైనా ప్రోడక్ట్ సేల్ చేస్తే ఆ కస్టమర్ దగ్గర నుంచి మనకు డబ్బులు వస్తాయి. ఓకే, విచ్ ఇస్ అకౌంట్స్ రిసీవబుల్ మా ఫైనాన్షియల్ అకౌంటింగ్లో ఫర్ ద సేల్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మనం బయట వెండర్స్ నుంచి ఏదైనా ప్రోడక్ట్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం అనుకోండి, అలాంటి సిచ్యుయేషన్స్లో అకౌంట్స్ పేయబుల్ అనే ఉంటుంది ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఎంట్రీస్కి. That is for MM. For sales, accounts receivable. For MM, accounts payable. ఇప్పుడు క్లియర్? ఎనీ డౌట్? పృథ్వీ?
Yeah, it's okay, clear.
Clear? Okay. Now, to understand the structure of customer accounts, how to control and maintain customer accounts, we'll go through step-by-step process of creating a SAP customer group, meaning most of the common fields. So whenever we try to create a customer, we need to have a general data, company code data, and sales data. We'll come to this part in next sessions. Let's try to understand the configuration part. Okay, this is the data creation, but before we get into this, let's try to understand the creation configuration. Sorry, I'll go back here. /n SPRO reference IMG. We are done with the ERP structure. We need not to touch this area. Okay. Now, financial accounting area. Okay. Financial accounting area. Here we can see accounts receivable and accounts payable. Accounts receivable for the customers, accounts payable for the vendors. Click on to this node. We can see here customer account, which is for sales. Supplier account, which is for procurement. Our core area is customer account. Master data. Preparation for creating custom master data. Click on to this node. Here, define account group with screen layout. Means for our company, which is 9200, we are trying to create a account group. Click on to this execute account. Click. I'll select this 0001 and I'll try to copy as it is. Okay. We have two options. Either I can click directly new entry. Okay. Then I can fill the data. What I'll do is the best thing is select it and copy it. And I'll make the account group as 9200. Here, customer account group 9200. Enter. And save it. In FI area, financial accounting area, we have defined customer okay, this is customer. Let's reselect it and let's click onto this details. We can see here field status, general data, company code data, and sales data. Okay, just keep this point in your mind while creating customer master data or business partner data. I'll try to explain what exactly the role is for this field status. Okay. Now, whenever we create customers in the system, we need to save with a particular number range. Okay. The next option is creating number range for the customer. Click on to execute. Here, intervals. I'll make insert new line. I'll try to make the number range as 9000901. 90099. Enter. Here we can see here interval, the interval which I am trying to create number range overlaps with the internal PD. So here our interval is 9009012 to 9000999. Enter it and save it. The purpose is basically what it does is whenever we create a customer, the system will change. The system will save the data from 9009012 between this range. Okay. If you don't understand this point, no worries. While creating customer status, I'll try to help this one. This one and the field status, which is general data, sales area data, and company code data. Let's go back. This number range we need to assign with this account group, which is assign number range to the customer group. Execute. Click on to position. Our account group is 9200. Enter. Here we have created number range, right, with reference ZX. Enter. So for this account group, the number range will try to pick from this reference, which is ZX. Save it. In F5, we have sign number range for customer account group 9200. Save it. We are done with this customer account group. Okay. In next, post this session, I'll share this customer account group link. You can have a theoretical overview. Okay, shall I continue or shall we stop here? Prithvi, Lavanya.
No doubts.
Should I continue or
Yeah, we can continue.
okay? The next part we will be having a partner determination procedure. This is a quite a lengthy session, and also this is S4HANA, right? We'll be having business partner. Okay. These two sessions are quite lengthy. If I take these two sessions, it will take time. Okay. I request you to please try to go through this assignment part. Okay. Then customer account group for today.
Yeah, can you tell me the introduction of the BP?
Business
What is
partner.
meant by BP and
Business
yeah, how
partner.
it's useful for us. Yeah.
Okay. In ECC, okay, we used to have customer, right? In S4HANA, this will be as business partner. Means in earlier in ECC version, for example, if we have customer with reference 900901 for the sales side. Okay. Similarly, for vendor, okay, which is for PP or procurement side, the customer reference could be 800801. Similarly, if we have for another XYZ, like credit management, the customer could be any other reference customer. Okay. So in ECC, every department or every organization unit will be having different numbers. But with S4HANA, with single reference 900901, we can have access for all the organization unit. Basically, this number will be centralized for all organization units. Instead of having different numbers from different organization units, here we have only one reference number for all the organization units. Hope you are able to understand. Okay, let okay. Here we can see integrated business partner. Okay. In SAP ECC, customers and vendors are a separate data objects, means different references. As I said here, the vendor reference will be different and the customer reference will be different. SAP S4HANA integrates customer and vendor into unified master data object, unified, which is a single reference. Okay, called as business partner. Customer vendor integration has several benefits, such as only one business partner can have multiple roles and addresses. Multiple roles is nothing but we can have vendor reference, credit control reference, HR reference, likewise, with only single business partner. Okay, then a general data is shared. I'll come to this point. Okay, general data is shared across roles, which reduces your database footprint. There is less redundancy since unused data is deleted after a certain period of time. Okay, we'll come to this business partner in next session, probably by tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం సేల్స్ వాళ్ళు కస్టమర్ డేటా యూజ్ చేస్తారు, ఒక రిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. దెన్ ప్రొక్యూర్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు వెండర్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, డేటా డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ బిజినెస్ పార్ట్నర్లో ఏమవుతుందంటే ఒక కస్టమర్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది యాజ్ ఎ బిజినెస్ పార్ట్నర్. అదే రిఫరెన్స్తో అన్ని వేరే వేరే చోట ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారో అదే రిఫరెన్స్ వాడుకోవాలి. ఇది S4HANA బిజినెస్ పార్ట్నర్, విచ్ ఇస్ యూనిఫైడ్ మాస్టర్ డేటా ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఇంతకుముందు ఏమవుతుందంటే every organization, every department will be having their data with different numbers. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి డేటా మొత్తం విత్ సింగిల్ రెఫరెన్స్తో మనం యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, సెంట్రలైజ్డ్ డేటా. Okay, we'll get into this business partner in detail in next session. As of now, let's try to execute the other two company codes from your side. By any chance, did you got the time to work on this two company codes, Lavanya, Prithvi? Definition part.
I will do. I am away from my personal laptop. I will do on tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. Lavanya, మీరు కూడా చేశారా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, try చేయండి, please. Shall we conclude this session?
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, Varun. Bye.